Okay, really quick Procreate tutorial on how to use these masks. So you import one of them in. This is the same one I used for the Photoshop video, just so you guys have a reference here. So it's the only thing on my artboard. If you come up to the little wrench up here, you can hit insert a photo. And I'm gonna go to my folder where I've got some of these patterns saved and grab a leopard print. So it should be over the shape. If you tap on that layer and you hit clipping mask, it masks it, just like it does in Photoshop. These are both raster-based programs, and a lot of the commands are very, very similar. But you could do the same thing, do another layer, pick a color, let's say pink, because that's in a recent, and just hit fill layer, so it fills the whole layer. Tap on that layer and hit clipping mask, same thing. So you could change the colors that way. If you do have a colored layer, you can even go into this little magic wand and hit this hue, saturation, and brightness and just go by layer. And you can adjust it by just moving this little hue bar. You can either even up the saturation and make it darker, change it to a whole new color. So I like to play with colors a lot there too, just to really hone in what you're wanting. And then you can proceed with doing your design, or you could hide the background and then export it and send it back to your computer, whichever way you prefer. But that's how you would mask different colors or patterns in Procreate.